Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to pair any Bluetooth device to your Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, I have my Pixel in front of me, I have some random, sorry about that, I have some random Bluetooth device in here, and let's connect them. First of all, we want to add the control center on our Pixel Pro and then enable Bluetooth. As you can see, we can click use Bluetooth, but you will see that we can't really see much. So instead, we can also go into the settings here, now into mobile network, into connected devices. Now we can go into pair new device and see, as you can see, currently we don't have really anything and our Bluetooth isn't really turned on, so let's turn it on. And now, it has some really big troubles with turning on. We can also try to turn it on via the via our control center, but I do see that Bluetooth is very buggy, which is pretty interesting, but basically trying to turn it on should do it. Anyway, we can now go into pair device. And now we want to go into our device itself, and we want to locate the button that usually is for turning your device on. We want to press and hold it, and when the diode starts flashing, then we want to press and hold even further. And now when we see this rapid flashing, this means that our device is now inside pairing mode, and we can pair our device with our Bluetooth. As you can see, our Bluetooth is not working, which is a very common issue. In order to try to fix that, we can always simply expand the control center, go into power icon, and simply restart our device. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever we restart our device, we are restarting everything. So, including the Bluetooth sensors and everything else. So if you have some troubles related to Bluetooth, you can always just restart your device. As you can see, I have restarted my phone. It's not even finishing loading, but when we increase when we enable our beautiful control center, we can see that Bluetooth is enabled, which is good. Now we can head into our settings once again. Network connected devices. Let's see pair device. And as you can see, my device is still in the pairing mode. I do have my JLab go work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go into pair. We can allow or disallow access to contact history. It's completely up to you. We'll just hit pair. And as you can see, we are active. We have 90% of battery. We even have this typical Bluetooth icon, which means that we are indeed connected to our headphones. And if you would increase the volume, we can see now increasing the volume for the headphones themselves. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, watching.